is if you have this Nautilus system, which I have this Nautilus system on both my van and my camper. And when you're filling the tank, you don't have any real access to how much water you're putting in other than just fill it up to the max. Now, I don't like to do that because inherently they say there's no issues with that, but I have an issue with it because I just can't believe it's good for the tank to overfill it when you need to fill it. So anyway, do yourself a favor and go get one of these things. This is called the Restmo. It's a gallon water meter. So you can actually gauge how much water you're putting in. I know I have a 24-gallon tank on the Revel, and if I'm at a third full, right, I kind of realize how much I need to put in to get it up to 2/3. I usually like to keep it around 2/3 unless I'm going someplace. Then I try to get it close to fill. But, if I'm just going to be around town or just fairly local, I like to keep it at 2/3. I don't like to overfill it. But this thing was like $20 on Amazon, and it gives me an indication on how much water I'm putting in so I don't overfill my tank. I know a lot of people are going to say, oh, what's the big deal? You're trying to fix a problem that doesn't exist. Well, to me, that is a problem. And I've experienced issues with my tank on my camper overfilling it where when you keep overfilling it, you're putting all this pressure on the top of the tank all the time, and it can't be good. So anyway, get yourself one of these. It's a very cheap water meter, so to speak, and you can kind of measure how much water you're going to put in when you fill the tank. And to me, this is